Hi, YouTube! Okay, so this is our very first YouTube video. Before we have a quiz or a test, I'm going to review with you, and you'll be able to find it on YouTube. And remember, if you watch it once, it costs how much on YouTube? Zero. And how much does it cost if you watch it twice? Zero. And how much does it cost if you watch it 10 times? Zero. So the point is, alright, so we need to know how to name the circle. I think you guys know that. Let's call this B. Alright, so what is the circle? Circle B. Write it on your paper. Okay, identify a radius of the circle. Well, let's make this E. I don't know, I just made it up. So, let's say that a radius of the circle is BE. I'm going to put a line above it because I teach geometry. And when you have a line segment, you want to put a line. Now, are there other answers for the radius? Yeah, so for instance, if this was F, you could have done BF or FB, right? Yes. Right, thank you for participating, sir. Okay, diameter. So let's pretend that this is letter what? Somebody give me a letter. L. Okay, I heard L. So if this is L, what is the diameter going to be? Either LE or EL. Okay, LE or EL. Alright? You don't have to put both, just one of them. Okay, now this one, you're going to have numbers in here. Find the radius if they give you the diameter. I don't have time to ask you guys to help me with this because we're really in a hurry. Sorry. How do you find it? What? I put a mistake? Where? Oh, you know why? Because this was actually a PDF that changed a word. Okay? Thank you. So a diameter of, let's say, 6 centimeters. I don't know, I just made that up. All right? If the diameter is 6 centimeters, who can tell me what the radius is? 3 centimeters. How'd you get it? Yeah, it's half, right? Diameter, radius. Write this down on your paper. Everybody. All right. Find the diameter of a circle with radius of, I don't know, 15 inches. Okay, what would the diameter be? Say it. 30, because it's double, right? Be careful, you got to think, okay, radius is that smallest one, right? That smallest one that's only from the center going out. Can you guys see okay? Yeah. I'm not blocking it? Okay, good. All right, moving on. We don't have much time because we have a super shortened day today because of back to school night. Yay! Calculate the... No, we've got time. Calculate the circumference of each circle described. Use pi equals 3.14 and round to the nearest hundredth. The diameter of circle, let's make something up, is 20 centimeters. Okay, if the diameter is 20, how do we get to the answer, to circumference? Times pi, exactly. 20 times 3.14. And that would equal 60.28, I believe. I just did that in my head. You don't want to multiply it times 2 because it's a diameter already. The radius, though, we are going to have to multiply 2. So let's do an easy one. Like, I don't know, how about 2 meters? I just made it up. 2 meters. So we have to multiply it by 2 first, don't we? Yeah. Okay, good. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now we have the diameter. So let's see, let's use a calculator. 3.14 times 4. And see what happens. My computer has way too much stuff open. You can do it. You can do it, computer. Oh my gosh. Computer. Okay. 4 times 3.14. You will have calculators on the test. Hooray. 12.56. Okay, so that's our answer. 12.56. Oops, that's going to bleed into that. Okay, right here. 12.56 meters. Okay, so times 2 first, then times pi. Look at the YouTube video. Okay.
Yeah.
Calculate the value of the diameter. Okay, so if the circumference is, let's say, I don't know, let's see, 6.028. Then you calculate the diameter. To do that, you divide by pi, right? And that equals 2. Okay, all right. How about if the circumference is, what happened to my thingamajigger? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, almost the same thing. There we are. Okay. What if the circumference is, I don't know, 330.14? It's 10 times bigger, right? We need to divide by pi, but then divide by 2. So if you divide by pi, we would get 10. If you do it on the calculator, you get 10. And then divide it by 2 equals 5. All right? I'm going through this quick because we don't have much time. Last thing is, thank you, sir. Define what, and it's going to be one of the parts of the circle. So, radius or what? Anybody?
Diameter.
Or diameter, bless you. Or circumference. All right. Somebody pick one of them and I'll define it in my own words. Come. He says diameter. So let's try diameter. Define what the diameter means. In my own words, okay? It means the length, right, of one side of a circle to the other. And it has to pass through the middle. That's important. If it doesn't pass through the middle, it would just be like a little edge of it, right? So, must pass through the middle. Okay? So the place you're going to find this, take your paper back out, please. You're going to go to the website that I told you, but I'm going to put the link on there. So it's bit.ly/, it's the one on your syllabus. It's Mr. Pass, what was it? Vista. All lowercase. All lowercase. And once you get there, I'll have a link to our YouTube channel. Okay?
Okay.
Yay! Everybody say goodbye, YouTube.
Yes, sir.